short morning.
Really? Like that guy had them for 70 years and then died when they stopped. Have you tried anything to get rid of them?
Yeah, I've tried everything.
Here, drink all of this. Okay, this one's really good for distracting you from thinking about them. Draw an elephant with your eyes closed. That's it. Try and sing Hiccups backwards, as fast as you can.
Sucky, 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 sucky.
I give up. Just sit back and relax. Just sit there and don't think anything. I'm going to the toilet.
Why did you do that?
It's the oldest trick in the Hiccup book.
Hey, I think it worked.
Really?
Yeah.
Excellent. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let me just get my... Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Oh, we're done.
Really?
Why are you